Hi friends, today I am going to say about Jio and Abu Dhabi's Mubadala deals partnership. Abu Dhabi's Mubadala to invest $1.2 billion in Reliance Jio platforms. Abu Dhabi based on sovereign investor Mubadala Investment Company will invest rupees 9,093.60 crore for a 1.85% equity stake in Jio platforms. This will be the sixth investment in Jio, which has an equity value of rupees 4.91 lakh crore and an enterprise value of 4.1 lakh crore. I am delighted that Mubadala, one of the most assured and transformational global growth investors, has decided to partner US in our journey to propel India's digital growth towards becoming a leading digital nation in the world. Mukesh Ambani, chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries, said in a statement, through my long-standing ties with Abu Dhabi, I have personally seen the impact of Mubadala's work in diversifying and globally connecting the UAE's knowledge-based on economy, he added. The transaction is subject to regulatory and other customary approvals. Analysts said Reliance has targeted raising rupees 85,000 to rupees 90,000 crore from stake sales in Jio platforms. It has so far drawn from rupees 78,562 crore in planned investments from Facebook and private equity funds Silver Lake Vista Equity Partners, General Atlantic and KKR for a combined holding of 17.12%. The latest would take the combined holding to 18.97% and investment amount of up to rupees 87,655.35 crore. Reliance stake sales will help it to achieve its zero net debt ahead of March 2021 target. At the end of last March, Reliance had outstanding debt of rupees 36 lakh crore and cash of rupees 1.75 lakh crore, bringing its net debt to rupees 1.61 lakh crore. Parent IRL also raised rupees 53,124 crore from a rights issue which closed on Wednesday and receiving a robust response from shareholders as the issue got subscribed 1.59 times. Mubadala invests and partners to advance Abu Dhabi's diversified, globally integrated economy across sectors that are driving global growth and addressing critical challenges. A significant aspect of the mandate is transformative information and communications technology investments, which include cognitive computing, ICT infrastructure, telecoms, and the satellite operations, said the statement from RIL and Jio. Morgan Stanley acted as financial advisor to Reliance Industries and AZB and Partners, and Davis Polk and Wardwell acted as legal cons. We have seen how Jio has already transformed communications and connectivity in India, and as an investor and planner, we are committed to supporting India's digital growth journey with Jio's network of investors and partners. We believe that the platform company will further the development of the digital economy, said Khaladun Al Mubarak, MD and Group CEO of Mubadala Investment Companies. These deals are coming in on the run up to an IPO for Jio expected in 2 years. Reliance has constantly talked about building Jio platforms into a digital entity on the lines of Alphabet and Tencent. Reliance is in talks with Saudi Aramco for sealing a fifth of its oil to chemicals business in a $15 billion deal and has sold half its fuel retail venture to BPPLC for rupees 7,000 crore. Apart from its telecommunication tower business to Brookfield for rupees 25,200 crore. The sharp drop in global oil prices this year and demand comprehension in most global economies could make an Aramco deal difficult. Some analysts said the Brookfield transaction is yet to receive government clearance. Friends, subscribe to my channel, friends. This is the deal and partnership about India's Jio and Abu Dhabi's Mubadala's company. Friends, thank you friends for watching this video. Subscribe friends, subscribe to my channel.